in your hair? Oh, I have it on my face too. I forgot.
You have on her face.
You're a true
Friend.
Says true friend. Aw, cute. Mine looks better. You have to get closer to see it. Yours. Ah!
Ah! It's Tuesday.
And we're having a sleepover! Yeah!
Oh.
Okay, good.
Yep.
She said, "Okay, good."
Yeah.
Good.
It was good. Whatever it was.
What was it? Another question. Shot you to bed.
Oh, damn.
What?
Prostitution. Yeah.
Let's see our prostitute song. We're gonna pick one out for you right now.
Come
Just
on,
saying,
just
though.
say.
Be like bare minimum. Hello. So my dog hit me yesterday. Made it cut. Oh my gosh. Just opened my.
Voila.
Yeah. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. There it goes. No. Okay, there it goes.
There it goes! Okay, bye.
Okay. Okay, bye.